Hello friends, Arjav here, and today I am going to show you how to make these 3D butterflies. You can use them as finger puppets too. To make this origami butterfly, you need scissors, a square paper and a little bit of glue. So let's start making it. First, we have to fold a water bomb base. First, to make it, fold your paper diagonally into half and crease sharply. Unfold and fold in half diagonally in this direction. Now turn over top to bottom and fold your paper into half like a valley fold. Unfold and have the colored side up, and now fold this only at the right side and fold this only at the left side. Now flatten it up. So you see we have a triangular thing. Now fold it in half like this. Now you need scissors and cut like a curve from the open side. Now unfold it like we are unfolding two flaps, and now rotate it so you have the pointed side over here and fold this curve to the crease so it aligns with it, and just fold it softly, not very hard, and do the same thing with this side. Just fold it softly. Now turn it over, and now you have to lift this pointed flap up, and now turn over by folding it like this, and then fold the rest of the flap over here down, and now you have to seal it with glue, this flap. So first you need glue, and now now the glue has dried and our butterfly is ready. But now I am going to show you how to add some 3D effects. So turn over, and this flap, just put your finger in and open this flap too, and then take out your finger, and this part is done. Now you have to try opening these flaps like this, and our 3D butterfly is also done. Friends, you can make more colored butterflies like this and decorate your house or classroom. But don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my video and share it to your friends. Thank you. Bye.